I warmly greet you on this occasion that marks another achievement of our ministry. Not only this event outstanding, but it also celebrates the accomplishment of the 33 young trainees who will be graduating today with Certificate 4 in Music Performance. Ladies and gentlemen, the Valelevu Youth Training Center has produced hundreds of youths trained in the areas of musical theories, practical music application, physical education, sports culture, and customs, cultural entertainment offered here since its beginning in 1995. Currently, under this ministry's network of 5 training centers across the nation, the Valelevu Youth Training Center has been commendable, with the majority of students who have graduated being able to find employment in the Fiji Military Force Band, Fiji Police Force Band, in the Fiji Prison Services, secondary schools as physical educators, art and craft, and music teachers in the British Army, and in hotels and other tourist destinations around the country. I take this moment to commend the work of the staff serving here at this center for their efforts and for their commitment and dedication towards the development of our youths. I would also like to acknowledge the parents. Parents are among most important people in the lives of our young people. You have started the development process, which we have continued with here in Valelevu Youth Training Center. Your dedication and commitment have truly paid off, and I hope that all of you will continue to support this wonderful program for many years to come. Valelevu, I am proud to say, is now able to produce high-quality graduates who can be absorbed into the music industry with the quality of training that they receive here. Ladies and gentlemen, my ministry and government is all about empowerment opportunities. Your training is about empowerment in the music and performing arts area. This youth training center here at Valelevu, or the National Youth Band Program, has been one of the standout programs of the ministry. The aim of the program is to provide theoretical and practical training in music so that they can better their chance of finding employment in the music industry. In providing platforms such as this is to upgrade the lives of our youth. The ministry has designed various informal trainings to empower them. These are carried out in the 4 divisions and are based on the training needs carried out by the ministry staffs. In doing so, we are also fulfilling one of our core functions to empower the youths to explore and use their abilities and potential to create an enabling environment for sustainable livelihoods for our young Fijians. For the graduates, today is the beginning of your journey into the workforce of the country. The culmination of what you have been trained for at Valelevu and the 3 months work attachment to follow when you graduate today. One door closes and another opens, helping your knowledge grow and complement your training. And I want to urge you to always maintain discipline in the workforce and show your colleagues that your time with us at the Valelevu Youth Training Center has made you a better person. Your graduation today does not mean that your training ends here. There is still more to learn, and I encourage you to keep learning and explore ways that you can further enhance your skills and abilities. Utilize what you have learned during the training to broaden the scope of your roles. Share your newfound knowledge and encourage others to excel in the modern era. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to warmly congratulate you all on your achievements and wish you success in your future endeavors. Vinaka